Did you know there's a vibrant, nutrient-packed root vegetable that can transform your health in surprising ways? Beets are more than just a colorful side dish. They're a powerhouse of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can boost your heart, supercharge your workouts, and even give your skin a radiant glow. Curious about how this one vegetable can become your ultimate natural remedy? In this video, we're diving into the 11 incredible benefits of eating beets every day, from fighting inflammation to detoxifying your body. Stick around to discover why adding beets to your daily diet could be one of the best health choices you make. 1. Boost heart health. Beets are rich in nitrates, compounds that convert into nitric oxide in the body, helping to relax and dilate blood vessels. This process reduces blood pressure, which can significantly lower the risk of heart disease and stroke. Studies have shown that a daily intake of beet juice or beets can lower blood pressure levels in people with hypertension, making them a fantastic natural remedy for cardiovascular health. Maximizing the benefit. Consume raw or lightly cooked beets, as nitrates can be sensitive to heat. Beet juice is also an excellent way to get a concentrated dose of nitrates. Pair with vitamin C, such as a squeeze of lemon, to enhance nitrate absorption. 2. Enhance athletic performance. Athletes often use beetroot juice as a natural performance enhancer. The high nitrate content improves blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles, increasing endurance and reducing fatigue. Research shows that regular beet consumption can help athletes and exercise enthusiasts perform at a higher intensity for longer periods. Maximizing the benefit. Drink beetroot juice 1 to 2 hours before exercise for an optimal boost in stamina. Combine with a high-carb snack for added energy, as beets contain natural sugars that can further fuel your workout. 3. Support brain health and cognitive function. Nitric oxide not only helps the heart, but also supports brain health. Improved blood flow to the brain has been linked to better cognitive function, particularly in aging adults. Beets may help enhance memory, focus, and mental clarity, reducing age-related cognitive decline. Maximizing the benefit. Incorporate beets with healthy fats like avocado or olive oil, which support brain health by enhancing the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Consume fresh beets to get the maximum amount of natural nitrates. 4. Promote healthy digestion. Beets are a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion by adding bulk to stools, preventing constipation, and supporting a healthy microbiome. The natural sugars in beets also help feed beneficial gut bacteria, fostering a balanced and resilient digestive system. Maximizing the benefit. Eat the whole beetroot, including the skins, where much of the fiber is concentrated. Pair with probiotics like yogurt or sauerkraut for a synergistic effect on gut health. 5. Fight inflammation. Beets contain betalains, powerful antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is linked to a range of health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. By consuming beets regularly, you may reduce inflammation markers and lower your risk of these conditions. Maximizing the benefit. Use beet juice or raw beets to get a concentrated source of betalains. Pair with other anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric or ginger for enhanced effects. 6. Help detoxify the liver. The antioxidants and natural compounds in beets, like beetaline, support liver health by promoting detoxification. These compounds encourage the liver to eliminate toxins from the bloodstream, which is essential for maintaining overall health and preventing liver disease. Maximizing the benefit. Drink beetroot juice on an empty stomach for a concentrated dose that assists in liver detoxification. Combine with lemon juice to aid liver cleansing, as both foods work synergistically to support liver health. 7. Improve skin health. Thanks to their rich vitamin C content and antioxidants, beets contribute to skin health by promoting collagen production, protecting against environmental damage, and reducing signs of aging. Beets may help reduce pigmentation and improve skin elasticity, giving a radiant and youthful glow. Maximizing the benefit. Add beets to smoothies with antioxidant-rich berries to further protect skin cells. Use beetroot powder in DIY face masks for topical benefits that complement internal consumption. 8. Aid in weight management. Low in calories but high in fiber, beets can support weight management by promoting satiety and aiding digestion. The fiber content helps keep you full longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, beets contain compounds that may support fat metabolism. Maximizing the benefit. Include beets in salads or as a side dish, keeping the fiber intact by avoiding juicing for this purpose. Combine with lean protein like grilled chicken or tofu to keep you full and energized. 9. Boost immunity. Beets are rich in immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin C, folate, and manganese. Vitamin C in particular supports immune cell function, helping the body fight off infections. Regular beet consumption can strengthen the immune system and improve resilience against illness. Maximizing the benefit. Eat beets raw or lightly steamed to preserve vitamin C, which can be lost with excessive cooking. Pair with zinc-rich foods like pumpkin seeds, as zinc also plays a crucial role in immune health. 10. Support healthy blood sugar levels. Despite their natural sugar content, beets have a low glycemic index, which means they don't spike blood sugar levels drastically. Their fiber content also helps manage blood sugar, making them a great addition to the diet for those with or at risk for diabetes. Maximizing the benefit. Eat beets whole rather than juiced, as fiber slows sugar absorption and prevents blood sugar spikes. Pair with a protein source to further stabilize blood sugar levels. 11. Promote healthy blood formation and anemia prevention. Beets are a good source of iron and folate, both essential for healthy blood formation. Folate is necessary for DNA production, while iron helps in oxygen transport. Regular beet consumption can help prevent anemia, particularly for those with increased iron needs. Maximizing the benefit. Eat beets with a source of vitamin C like bell peppers or oranges, which enhances iron absorption. Avoid consuming with calcium-rich foods immediately, as calcium can interfere with iron absorption. How to maximize benefits of beets in your diet. Choose organic beets. Organic beets are less likely to contain pesticides or harmful chemicals, preserving their nutritional integrity. Store properly. Keep beets in a cool, dark place or refrigerate them to retain their nutrients. Avoid overcooking. Overcooking can reduce beets' nitrate content and degrade heat-sensitive nutrients like vitamin C. Juice carefully. If you juice beets, drink in moderation due to the concentrated sugars. Consider blending instead to retain the fiber. Health risks of eating beets. While beets offer numerous health benefits, eating them regularly or in excess can pose certain risks. Kidney stones risk. Beets are high in oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones, particularly in people prone to developing calcium oxalate stones. If you're at risk for kidney stones, you may want to limit beet intake. Beeturia, pink or red urine and stool. Eating beets can lead to beeturia, where urine and stool turn pink or red. Although it's harmless, it may be mistaken for blood, which could lead to unnecessary health concerns. This color change happens in about 10 to 15% of people and can also indicate low iron levels. Low blood pressure. Beets are known for their blood pressure lowering effects due to their high nitrate content, which relaxes blood vessels. However, for people with already low blood pressure or those taking blood pressure medications, beets may cause blood pressure to dip too low. High sugar content. Beets contain natural sugars, so those with diabetes or blood sugar management concerns should consume them in moderation to avoid spikes in blood sugar. Although beets have a low glycemic index, eating large amounts can still impact blood sugar levels. gastrointestinal issues. Some people may experience gas, bloating, and stomach discomfort after consuming beets, especially in large amounts. Beets are high in fiber, which can sometimes lead to digestive issues in sensitive individuals. Allergic reactions. Although rare, some people may be allergic to beets, experiencing symptoms such as rash, itching, or swelling. Severe cases could even lead to anaphylaxis, requiring immediate medical attention. High oxalate content for bone health. The oxalates in beets can inhibit calcium absorption, which might negatively affect bone health over time if beets are eaten in large quantities without balancing calcium intake. Increased risk for gout. Beets may exacerbate gout symptoms in individuals prone to this condition due to their moderate purine content. Purines can break down into uric acid, potentially triggering gout flares.